When I think of a slide, I think of a playground, a place where I see my friends and make new memories. My first memory of the high school is how creative the art classes were and how the creative freedom that came with it shaped the next 3 years of my high school experience. We want the alumni to be able to come and visit the new school while still remembering the one they were once in. They can go down the slide and remember their past through photos and stories. Building a swirly slide holding memories and inspirational quotes will be a huge benefit to the future students and alumni visiting the school. Inside the slide will be 2 or 3 uplifting quotes from the alumni that individuals will be able to read as they swiftly slide from the second to the first floor. The outside of the slide will be covered in past yearbook pictures and other photos that tell the story of what Upper Arlington entails. When I come back years from now, I may not be able to go to the same art class where my memory took place, but these alumni will. This slide will allow me and other alumni to see where we spend the 4 most important years of our life.